Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root. Next, we put the square for the both sides, so we can cancel the square root. Because we have 3x in here, so we just put number 1 go to the left. Because we want to replace about 3x into u squared minus 1. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides of this one. So we have about 2u du equals to 3 dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. About the square root, we change for u. 3x, we change for this one. Dx, we change for this one. So we have u divided by u. 2 over 3 we put outside. And now we just have this one left. So 2 minus negative number 1, we have positive number 3 and negative u squared. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of number 3, you got about u. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c about u, that is about this one. So we put this one to replace for u, and we can get the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.